All right, everybody, how you doing today? We are working on a hydrant that we use every day to feed the animals. Today, my daughter went out to turn a hydrant on, and she couldn't get this lever up. And I thought it was just her, but then I went out to do it. I pulled it all the way up. I could see that the rod was coming up, but we had no water. So I went ahead and pulled the hydrant out. I thought maybe it wasn't draining, because how hydrants are supposed to work is when you go ahead and shut the hydrant off every time, there's a plunger down here at the bottom that closes, and then it lets all the water in the pipe drain out this little weep hole. I don't think that it's plugged. I almost wonder if the rod didn't come disconnected to the plunger in here. We're gonna take this apart right here and see what the plunger looks like. All right, let's see if the plunger moves. Yeah, everything moves. And let me explain how this works. Hopefully you can see this with some sunlight. When your lever is down, the plunger goes to the bottom of this and seals off your water. When you raise the lever up, the plunger goes up and it actually shuts off this little weep hole here, and it sits right there and closes that off, and then the water runs up the pipe, your intake, wherever your water comes in, goes around in this little channel and then comes out your hydrant. And then when you shut it back off, the plunger goes down, shuts your water flow off, and then allows the water in your pipe to run down out this weep hole. We can't find anything wrong. The plunger moves with the lever. Everything seems like it's working fine. So the only thing we can figure is there might have been a little bit of ice that froze at the top, and then when that lever was opened up, it wouldn't let the water flow through. Because when I disconnected the bottom of this in my well pit, there was water that came out. And so I'm wondering if our weep hole didn't have enough crud in it, because I don't know if you can see how small that is, but the hole is not very big in there. And it wouldn't take a lot to stop the water from going down. So the water wasn't frozen the whole line, but we believe maybe at the very top, because it was stiff to try to move that lever. We're wondering if it wasn't froze at the very top. Anyway, we got the weep hole cleaned out and everything looks good, so we're gonna put this back together. The reason this weep hole might have got corroded a little bit is because I actually have a little cover that covers the bottom of this, so that the water, when it drains back down, it doesn't come out and get on our motor for a pump or well pump. So that kind of stops the flow a little bit. So that might have contributed to the water maybe not coming out of there. Down, down, down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, bring it on down. Hold it right there. Okay, that's all I should need. Just turn the water off for just a second, just make sure water comes out. Do you guys see this hole? Look down here. That's how the weep hole works. So the water runs out of there once you're shut the water off to drain it all out. Okay guys, turn it on and off again. Okay, turn it off. Okay, I'm gonna rotate that a little bit. I don't like the way it's draining. All right. Well, that should solve that problem for today. Well guys, that was a video I wasn't planning on making today. Hope you got something out of it. I just thought if I was gonna be working on it, I might as well share it with you. So, until next time guys, good luck with all your projects.